Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, for example here also. And now all we have to do is to open the settings. So we can do it just by tapping on this option right here, so this four dots icon kind of, and tap on the settings. As you can see at the top we've got the languages option, so here we've got only English. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll or you can simply search language, so just tap on this section and enter the name of the language, just find it and then tap on it. And right here we've got the keyboard types. So basically the amount of keyboard types depends on the specific language. Sometimes we'll have only one, and sometimes even up to 5 or 7 different types. So just mark the option you'd like to use and untick the option you don't want to apply and tap on done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. We can go back to the keyboard. Here we've got also the hint, which will allow us to understand how everything works right now. So basically we can change the typing language just by using this globe icon. So after tapping on it, we can switch through the keyboard type. So what is more, the spacebar, we've got the it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so we can always check which keyboard type we've got currently applied. So this is how it works. Now let me show you how to remove the language. So we have to open the settings again. Here let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and now we can mark the language we want to delete. So for example, the previous one or newly added. And now after marking, just tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.